I think when I first joined Windy City and Josh brought up technology and specifically XOI technology, his point in that was it was a difference maker. It's a reason companies choose us over others. And he started explaining it to me, and so, and I'm an old time facility person, and he explained it to me. He said, "What do you think?" And I went, "I wouldn't use it." As I stated earlier, I work off trust. So if I don't trust my vendor, I don't want to have to go to a video to back it up. You know, it's all trust, it's all knowledge, and so on. And so I quickly said, I don't get it. It doesn't. Well, how does it make sense? And he helped explain some of that. And the funny part is in 10 months, I've really realized how technology, XOI technology that we use has really helped. And it's really for a couple of things. One, it helps keep your target on your tech to make sure they're doing the right thing. Are they evaluating the equipment, or are they just going to, well, here's what normally fixes the problem, so we'll assume it's that, and so on. Because nothing's worse to a customer than you making repeat visits because you're guessing. It's the old, what I grew up in, parts business. Go out, look at the piece of equipment, put a new part on it, see if that works. If it doesn't, go back, put another one. And it drives up the cost. That makes no sense. And it drives the customers crazy. So it helps keep tabs on your tech. And then the other thing it does is restaurants, managers, always mistrust the techs that are coming in. They're here to rip me off. They're here to do whatever. They've been on the roof for 3 hours. I have no idea what they did. What better than show them a video of what the tech found on site and what it looked like when he left? Because many times you'll also have a manager say, he was 3 hours, for 3 hours, he didn't do anything. The manager didn't stand there and watch for 3 hours. He's guessing. But he's built in that no matter who shows up in his restaurant, they're trying to make money off of him. So by giving them a video and showing them what he did when he was on the roof, you know, what piece of equipment was broken, the HVAC, whatever it may be, and what he did to fix it.